Hey guys, we are back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how we can hide a password how we can hide something else in that is written inside of this in the terminal something else is how we can hide in the using of the Python, how we can hide that terminal when the user is typing something else. So the terminal hide date or even the command prompt but in this case you should have to know that the command prompt you may not be familiar with the terminal command prompt, but the terminal or also the command prompt are something just like an application that can help you in order to interact using your computer using a text command. So it helps you to interact using your computer using a text command. So it can also do a lot of things. If you just want to change the directory, you can cd, and also in order to know the where directory that you are in order to dir, in order to is going to tell you how many files that are inside of the testing directory. So the dir can is going to return the directory of data inside of it. So in this case dir in this case you should have to be familiar with a lot of things that maybe you should have that የሚያስቸግራችሁ ነገር ሊኖር ስለሚችል ለምሳሌ accidentally you are forced to create a something else like a directory. In this case you can just use any directory, and also you can remove directory by using the basic command remove dir. So this is just like you can just google it and you can get a bunch of useful stuff that are inside. Hopefully like a dozen of things that you have to know to get started using the command prompt or the terminal. So in this whether before we should have to notice I should want to notice you that you should have to be familiar with the get pass module. As you know that it is like get pass is just like a module that allows to hide a term that allows to hide a text or something else that are written in the terminal. So in this case what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna specify I'm gonna specify from the get pass module import get pass አድርግልኝ ማለት ነው። just from specific የሆነ ነገር ኢምፖርት ለማድረግ ነገር የምንጠቀመው ነገር ነው ማለት from the get pass module import the get pass አድርግልኝ ማለት ነው። so in this case after just doing this what you are gonna do, we are gonna store that variable. So then before storing that variable what I'm gonna do get pass, we are gonna use this get pass method or the function. The only difference between the method and the function is both of them are essentially the same, but a lot of programs but the methods mostly pre-primary is just like a block of the code that are specific for the custom data type. When you say this is a custom data type, you may think of just like a class is a specific for the custom data type. The method, the function that are defined inside the class is going to be termed as a method, or inside ለምሳሌ string ራሱ አንድ ነው ዴታ ታይፕ ነው፣ ክላስ also አንድ ዴታ ታይፕ ነው። and also ለነዛ ለስፔሲፊክ ለሆነ ነገር የምንጠቅመው አሁን ለምሳሌ two lower case እነዚህ ናቸው for string for the custom or for the not custom for specific data type የምንጠቅመው ነገር what we call the method እንላለን ማለት። function ደግሞ እነዚህ ሜቶዶች as you can see ሜቶዶች just like a predefined snippets of the code ናቸው ማለት ነው። a predefined snippets of the code that pass to perform specific things. like in this case function ደግሞ ምንላቸው ደግሞ they are the block of the code that pass to perform specific tasks, but they are just like a general form ናቸው functions ማለት ነው. if you just want to go more specific you can get a method ማለት ነው. in this case let me if we can just go back to our lesson, I'm gonna prompt the user to give me the pin. Now as you can see pin የሚደበቀው or just like a password. So I'm gonna store this value inside of the password. So after just store inside of the password, what we are gonna do, we are gonna print that password. So we are gonna print the password that you have entered is something else. I'm going to concatenate within the passcode. So let me just run this program. I'm going to get over into the Python, and also what I'm going to do pong.py pin taking as you can see pin ታይቆኛል but 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 አስገብቻለሁ። in this case አያችሁ ምንም ነገር ተርሚናል አላሳየንም but in this case 1 2 3 4 ነው ብሎ ምን አሳይቶናል value አሳይቶናል ማለት ነው። but the only thing you should have to be you should have to know in this case this is not the actual the actual integer. Let me just verify that. If the passcode is equals reason 1 2 3 4, and I'm gonna make this condition to be get executed when this is equals reason this let me just we're gonna this indentation specify the block of the code for using the Python. In this case, if the passcode is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, ምን ያደርግልናል? ይሄን ሪተርን ያደርግልናል። you should have to specify if you just want to specify a break code so in case we're gonna print if it doesn't work የምትለዋን ላሳያት ማለት ነው። ዝም ብሎ just ላሳያት I'm gonna just do ስለዚህ 1 2 3 4 አስገባው it doesn't work. Why? Because it gets stored inside of a string, so we should have to parse it into the integer. So we use an int method in order to parse it. So in this case, int which is gonna be int method, and also int method cannot voila, as you can see it's gonna convert into the integer. So 1 3 4 so there is an error. So you can't concatenate with you can use something what we call it. So just answer ስለሆነ ምን አደረገው else if block ላይ ቀጥታ ሄደው ማለት if block ላይ ሄደው ምን አደረገው ጠየቀው ማለት ነው። this case what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a format recipe what I'm going to pass code ቀጥታ እንትኑ ስለገባ ነው ማለት ነው። so in this case as you can see the passcode that you have entered this 1 2 3 4 5. This is a whole topic that you have to know in order to get started using the get pass module. So as you can see that is the get pass module is just like an easy, just more friendly than it's just like a more friendly than where you can use like something just echo off echo on. Most programming language የተለመደ ነው echo on echo off እያደረገ ምን ያደርጋል። አሁን ለምሳሌ if you just go to in case of the Ruby echo off echo on እያደረገ or Dart ላይ ብንገባ ራሱ it's just like echo on echo off. By the way, which is Dart is one of the static type ከምትላቸው language, and also just something just like statics, and also the compiled by Erotian just in time and ahead of the time that pass for building a cross-platform mobile application using the Flutter framework. As you are not Flutter framework, Flutter is just like an open source graphical user interface that are developed by the Google. In this software, it is like a software development kit. So the software, this is an open source graphical user interface software development kit that are developed by the Google. So in this case, essential when you should have to know about Flutter if you just want to get started in the developing of the application. Unlike Java, awesome interface, other user interface, UI መስራት ትችላላችሁ። Flutter it's just like easy, code it is just like inal, it just like የሚከብድም ነገር የለውም። just like you should have to know the basic concept of the Dart programming language before you get started to the Flutter framework. So if you just want me to teach you about the Dart programming language, leave something to the inside of the comment and let me know. Just for today, just like enough. Thank you for just viewing this video. Thanks.